the kayak. But I didn't set up all this stuff before, so we're doing it right now. I want to cut probably longer than it honestly needed to be. Kind of rednecking it, to be honest. Just got a regular traps. With just the pull noodle as the float and a zip tie. Holding it all together. Super redneck. I should load these with bait, drop them, and then put the other two out. That kind of sounds like the better move here. Ooh, boy, these got stiff. All right. I'm gonna bait up and then we'll check back in before I drop these two. Alright, so that's what we got. Kind of a little more shallow than I want it to be. Curious how this is going to work. Another one going in. Actually, last one. Hunk of flounder out there. Alright. Anchor up. And do a little fishing while we wait. 10 minutes. Stay tuned. might be a keeper. Got home, took the doggos out. Look at those doggos. They just ate, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this flounder filleted. 16 and a half. Get him filleted, packaged out, and then probably wrap this video up. Just wanted to see what everybody thought. If the crabbing from the kayak was a failure or not. I think that it wasn't a bad way. We caught a lot of crabs. Some of the drop nets had 3-4 crabs a pull in there. They were just all really small or borderline. And I'm not keeping 5-inch crabs just to keep 5-inch crabs. So I think I'm going to try it again at either a different spot or maybe an incoming tide. But just look at those dogs. Either way, let me know what you think. How can I improve it? Where did I go wrong, if I went wrong? Or was it a failure? Or was it a mild success? We got dinner, so it hasn't been that bad. Anyway, if you're checking out this video, if you can, go ahead and like, comment, share. If you really want to help us out, you can subscribe. I'm trying to make a push for the end of the year to get to 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned.